तो आज हम लोग सीखेंगे कैसे किसी नंबर का स्क्वायर करें जल्दी से जल्दी। जैसे मैं मान लीजिए कि हमें 35 का स्क्वायर लिखना है, तो कैसे लिखेंगे? इसके लिए हमने क्विक ट्रिक किया हुआ है कि क्या करना है कि जो भी नंबर मेरे दिया हुआ जैसे यहाँ पे 35 दिया, उसको क्या कीजिए 25 से माइनस कर दीजिए। सो व्हाट विल बी द माइनस? सो 10 एंड 5 minus 1 is 0 or minus 10. So you write as it is 10. So this will be our first digit and get difference from the 50, the number which is given like 50 minus 35. So how much? 5 0 4 15. So a square of that, so how much? 225. So here we have to take only last two digits. So what will be this? 25, but carry will go to up. So but carry will be added up. So what will be 1 2 2 5. So this is our square. Now again let's see, we want to find the square of let's go 43. As we have seen in the trick, a square. So what we are going to do? Take difference from 25. 43 minus 25. How much? 43 minus 25. So it will be 13 minus 8. So here it will be 3 minus 1 18. So write down 18. And now again take difference from 50. So 50 minus 43 it will be and a square of this. So what will be the 15 minus 50 minus 43 is 7. 7 square is 49. So this will be our number. Again let's check another number. Let's we want to find the square of 47. So what similar? What we do? Take difference from 25. So 25, what will be this? It will be 7 minus 5, it will be 2. This is 4 minus 2 is 2. Now again take difference from 50. Look, if we are doing a square, so no meaning of u is difference 50 minus 47 or 47 minus 50. So it will be same. So it will be 50 minus 47, 3 is 9. So what will be this? 9, so we can add 0. Like, look, we have to fill this gap. Like we have boxes like this. Okay. So whatever we are going to put, we are going to put like this. So first we are taking from like these two boxes is only can be filled by from the differencing from 50 and squaring on this. So here we are getting only 9. So 9, so we can be written as 0 9. Like first two digit is going to be filled here. So here we are getting only one digit. So if you want to increase 0 in left side, so there is no meaning. So right, we can write here and 22. You can check like 47 minus 47. 7 and 7 are 49. 7 into 4, 8. 7 into 4, 28. And 4. It will be 32. 7 right, 32. 7, 28. 4 into 4 is 16. 16. And there's 2 carry. So 16, 18, 29, 10. It will be 11, 12, 209. Okay, understood. So let's see a new one. Like we want to find the square of let's assume 24, but not 24. There's condition. If number is condition, if number is between 25 and 75, so we are going to use this formula. Step 1, find difference from 25. Okay, that number will be first two digit from find difference from 50 and square. That number will be first